fall. Close my eyes, not pretend at all. I don't wanna start every day looking out and up. Trust me, I got it all figured out. Trust me, I got it all figured out. Trust me, tell me your secrets and I'll hide them away aside. Keep them real safe in the palm of my hand, in between the palm of my hands, in between the palm of my hands.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm doing 2 super easy DIY projects for Easter. I hope you enjoy. To start with, I got this super cute MDF bunny from my local dollar store. What I'm going to do here guys is just flip it over, and I'm going to take some black spray paint and give it 2 coats.
What about me now? Tell me, whatever happened to leaning?
While the bunny was drying, I'm then going to take this dollar store glitter foam that I always use on my DIYs. I've printed out a Chanel logo, and taking a bowl that's a little bit larger than the logo itself, I'm going to trace a circle and cut it out. Once it's cut out, I'm then going to freehand some insides of the bunny's ears, and I'm then going to cut them out as well. I'm going to use the first ear as a template and then trace it out and cut it out.
Every day, looking out and up. Trust me.
Once the bunny was completely dry, it's now time to position everything in place. Now I chose to use these dollar store bows that I used on a previous DIY. I'm going to hot glue them in place. I also was going to use a Chanel ribbon, but changed my mind. Off camera, I chose to use a sparkly brooch that I always use in DIYs. You'll see that at the end of this video. I love doing before and afters on things that I already have, guys. I love shopping my own home and giving them a complete makeover. I love how my sweet little bunny is becoming very glam. it was all drying, I then started on my second DIY. I had this little bunny crate, guys, that I picked up from Target last year, and I decided to give it a makeover also. I took my favourite blush candy pink by Rust-Oleum spray paint and took it outside and gave it 2 coats. Once it was completely dry, I then cut out a circle from some black glitter foam, and I'm going to glue that to the front of our bunny. I'm then going to take a smaller Chanel logo and glue that to the centre of the black glitter foam. To the back of my crate, I also hot glued this cute little pom-pom as the bunny's tail. Taking some Chanel ribbon, I folded it in half and made a bow and tied it to the left-hand side of the bunny. Taking a piece of floral foam, I added it inside the crate, and taking these beautiful pink roses that I picked up from Kmart a few years ago, I added them inside the floral foam until the entire crate was covered. I absolutely love how simple and inexpensive these projects were to make, and I love that I was able to create glam items to go with my glam home. Guys, with the Easter season fast approaching, I wanted to create some ideas in my home that was simple, inexpensive and easy to make. I love that I could take existing items that I already had and give them that glam factor that I'm after. Don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram. I'm at CHELLESGLAMHOME too, and I post daily inspiration of decorating my home glam. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating for the Easter season. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.